Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background as well as the lighting in the Dress to Impress recording studio. So to change the background, you're going to see that there's like this color wheel down here. You're going to select that, and then you're just going to select the color you want. As you can see, you can also change it to patterns if you don't want like a plain color. You can also do that. Just use the patterns that you would like. I'm just going to select this color or this one. Then for the lighting, you can just go here. There's a point light. As you can see, it turns like purple and then green. It's not that like vivid, but you can see a little color change. Okay. So there's also the surface light. You can also change that. It's just going to add more lighting, like more color of that into your photos. As you can see, this turns it even bluer. This one makes it pink and stuff like that. And that is pretty much it. When you want to take a picture, just select this, and then I'm just gonna maybe do a pose. Maybe not that. Maybe this. Just angle it correctly, and I'm just going to zoom in a little. And you're just going to want to take the photo. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.